its brother, Thing 1. Where did it go?
It flew a couple weeks or 3 weeks ago.
Flew a couple of weeks ago. Okay, so dual deploy. This will have 2 events. So at the apogee, that is when the rocket is at the very top, it's going to arc over and you will see a small event. You will see a small chute come out. And then coming down, it will have a second chute at a particularly set height. So we are going on rail number 1. This big red one out here. In 3, 2, 1.
Wow. I still see it. Oh, that one actually landed like right up close to us.
Drogue is too big.
Alright, as it's floating back down, that looks like the mate. Is that your mate?
No. Nose cone's still on. It's just too big of a drogue.
There we go, there's the mate.
See that?
Nice bright orange.
300 feet? Yeah. You know, soon as the thing goes.
Alright, well done, Darcy. Darcy seems to really like his dual deploys.
Well, that was my second, that's why I wanted you to witness it.